As we delve deeper into the mission, we have found something yet big. It was a tree, which is weird, because trees are found outside, with leaves that are fake, and ornaments that are curdled. Who knew what this gigantic beast was? We just had to find out for ourselves. Let's kung fu it. We didn't know what it was. It just stand there, bright, waiting, just waiting for the kill. We tried touching it once, but it shook me with my mind powers. It had lights that were bright. Who knew what this magnificent beast was? Do you, nature explorers, signs off.